Hi everyone, this is Palani from Team Elefint. Thank you for your time to learn about our free scalping indicator. In this video, I am going to share you how to take trades using this indicator. I will also share strategies that works really well with this indicator. Before that, I would like to take quick few minutes in explaining why scalp red candles alone. What made us create this indicator? Why did we start giving this for free? We all know futures and options market is very difficult. 93% of the traders report losses. It is very risky to put in huge capital and wait for the market to go in your favor. Remember, the market doesn't reward the brave ones here. It rewards and favors those who have patience and a systematic way of trading. Having said this, let's get into the details of this indicator and explore this indicator further. Why did we choose red candle? Scalping red candles is easier for beginners as markets fall faster than they rise. Because the moment people see a red candle, the majority of buyers panic. This panic will make majority of buyers to close their positions. So we can see a small selling happening. Our idea is to benefit from the selling that happens after the first red candle. And don't worry, this indicator won't trigger all red candles. It will trigger only red candles that have a high probability to give another red candle. Should I take all red candles? No, never. The win rate of this indicator is more than 80% when paired with other confirmations, especially in 3-minute and 5-minute time frame. Now you might have a question. What is 80% win rate? Say you take 10 trades. You win 8 trades, you lose 2 trades. That's 80%. Remember this, there is no 100% in trading. If someone promises you a 100% win rate, run as far away as possible because there is no such thing. Now let me show you how to add our indicator to your chart and how to use volume indicator as additional confirmation. And I will also show you random example to see how effective it is. Go to the indicators tab, select invite only, then click Elefint Red Candle Scalping signal. Once you click it, it will automatically get applied. For further confirmation, we can use volume as additional confirmation. So here how you can use is, for example, see this 250 candle. Here the signal candle has a volume of 6.51 million. The previous green candle's volume is 5.28 million. So the signal candle's volume is greater than the previous candle. So we have a follow-up red candle. This is one of the strategies that we recommend. You can also use your own strategies to get additional confirmations. And please do not scalp all the red candles. Scalp only candles that has additional confirmation like volume. Fine. Let's see more examples. We'll go to 11th April. See this 12:15 candle. The signal candle's volume is 3.35. Previous green candle's volume is 3 million. So the red signal candle's volume is greater than previous candle's volume. So we have a follow-up red candle. Again, see this 12:30 candle. The volume is 3.6 million. Previous candle's volume is 2.53 million. You can check the volume at the top left corner. Check here. 3.6, 2.53. So this candle's volume is greater than the previous candle's volume. So we have a follow-up red candle. Now see April 8. Check this 10:30 candle. The volume is 5.42. Previous volume is 3.94. So 5.42 is greater than 3.94. So we have follow-up red candle. Similarly, see this 1 o'clock candle. Previous volume is 3.61. This candle's volume is 3.9. So we have a follow-up red candle. Fine, I'll show you more examples. Let's go to 7th April. That is previous day itself. Check this 10:50 candle. The volume is 10 million. Previous volume is 7.49. So 10 is greater than 7. So we have a follow-up red candle. Remember, we are just checking only the volume for the signal candle and the candle previous to the signal candle. We are not checking random candles. Now let's go further behind. See this 1st April 10:45 candle. See the volume 5.14. Previous candle volume is 4.94. So we have a follow-up red candle. Fine, let's go little behind, like 26th March. See here, 10:35 candle, 4 million is the volume. See the previous candle, 2.44. So 4 is greater than 2.44. We have a follow-up red candle. That's it, guys. So you might have another question. okay, what is my target and what is the stop loss? For example, let's say take this 1035 candle, you enter at the candle close or opening of the next candle, your target should be ideally 5 to 10 points, or the best thing to have is close of the next candle. That will be more than enough. You cannot decide what to take on the market. You have to get what the market is giving you. So you will take or close your position at the end of the entry candle. This will be your target. So what will be your stop loss? Let's say, for example, signal has triggered here. You enter at the opening of this candle. So where will you exit if it is going against you? You will exit at high of this candle. So ideally, the signal candle's high will be your stop loss. So this is the stop loss and target for this particular free scalping indicator. You can also have another strategy or other strategies and you can take trades accordingly. That's it, guys. This is the indicator that we have created. And the goal of the indicator is to show people that trading in markets should be a system. Like I trade only on gap up days. I trade only red candles. I trade only support and resistance. You should not do everything. If you want to win in the market, keep your trading style boring. So why are we giving this for free? I am sure you all have attended so many workshops, paid courses, but none of them helps you. We want to prove to you that markets can be looked at in many different aspects. And one of our view is this. At Team Elefint, our goal is to make your trading simple, boring, and yet effective. We want you to win more and lose less. Once again, don't jump right away into trading after watching this video. Backtest it for 3 months. If you have any doubts, this is our WhatsApp number. You can also find it in the description. Have it saved. You can send us your doubts with screenshot, date and time. Our team will be happy to help you. So keep exploring this indicator. Have a profitable trading experience.